ko, ang alaga ko nagplanong umihi. Where? Kabinastos ba? Where you want to make me pay? You have... Kaya pala, ayaw mo mag-ihi. In the plant, but then your puting-ting is gonna tusok-tusokin. Wait lang. Hi guys, what you call this one, anak ko?
Oh, you know.
Zatar? Wait lang. Wait lang, anak, talihon. Lus akdar. Oh, no, it's a peach. Not lus akdar. Talihon. Guys, ay, nagka. Harvest time. It's sour, panak. No, it's a bit sour.
Can I try one?
It's a bit sour, anak. Ay, this one. It's sour or not?
No. Wait. Let me try this one.
No? Good? Yan na, may dalawa na kami. Try that one, baby. But you need to wash. Mama said, don't eat fruits from the garden without washing, you know? Makonti lang kasi. Just a little, anak. It's not much. That's why. It's good, the taste. Ha, pangga? Oh, this is so black, eh. No, it's a little because nanak ba? This is good for you, but stop eating. Huh? I need to wash. For your safety. Anak kayo. Ay, anak, stop eating, ha? The black one, anak. Yeah, this one. Kapag mablot ka lang dyan sa ano, ha? You are picking not black. Anak. Aray! Pusa! Baka sagad naman tong alaga ko.
Can I eat only 4 more?
No. We need to wash. Anak, not good because... Ay! You eat! Gakaon siya. Anak, you need to wash. Baby, huh? Not wash.
Only 4.
Maybe they spray today or not. Alaga ko'y sumusubo eh. Oh! I found the black ones. Baby girl. Wait in the house. We need...
The black one.
Okay, take. Kasi...
There's one half of it black.
Hindi siya
There's one colored like a raspberry. And shaped like a raspberry. It looks like a raspberry.
This is what you call this raspberry? Ano? Mulberry? Mulberry na. Oh. Oh, diba guys? Paulit-ulit lang. Paulit-ulit na pag...
What is 8 plus 4?
I don't know. 8 plus 4. Oh! Bata! Come here, bata. Ay! Gaga!
Oh, 12. Oh, this is so black.
Ayo. That one. Ay, he's step on. Nanak, need to wash. Don't put in your mouth. Ay. Ay, only those. But then you have diarrhea later, huh? And then, you will gonna go to the hospital. Hala, sige, not listen to me. Yalla. Enough. No more. Kasi hindi pa sila hinog. Oh, enough na nga. Be, kaunti lang. Wala nga ito 1/4 sa last year. Ay, it's malamig pa. Ay! Oh my gulay. It's so malamig. Nananayo pang aking. Ha?
Do you want everybody in the whole world to watch you?
Opo. So I speak English?
Yeah, I get.
So for example, what?
Not everybody will know Philippines. Talk what you are actually talking about in English.
Nanak, so teach me how to speak now.
You know how to speak English.
No, I don't know really. Hello mga kababayan.
And now you are speaking English.
Okay. Look at this one, baby girl. Where you want to go now?
My dad.
Entirely on this way. Hoy. Pataka ka lang dyan niya eh. Ulo, go! Look at this one. They are getting red, but oh.
Come, Hazel.
From
This way.
where? Dala pa yung basket si Bata Batuta. Oy, wrong way, anak. Oh, look at the flowers. So pretty.
Next to the pool. Hazel, come.
Next to the pool, okay. Sinday, may basket.
Yeah. Don't step on it. It's a bit open.
Mm.
Hazel, I told you to don't step on it.
Yeah.
You almost
Make it sure, huh? Make it sure. Your plant is grow already. Maybe your plant's still dying. Ang bango dito. Where? What is your plant? Oh, where is your plant? Oh, where is the apple? Maybe the apple of Amos already grow. Oh, I tell her only anak.
No.
Oh, see?
Carry the basket. I will take it. Actually, I want to my ribbon.
Kasama yung pusa na yan, oh. Hi, pusa.
I don't know what I'm pusa.
Pusa! Cat! Wala!
Guys, if you really pusa, it means cat.
Oh, they will answer you, yes.
Tell me in the comments.
Oh, again, ask. You ask?
Guys, really pusa, it means cat. Tell me in the comments.
Yes, really. Pusa is a cat.
No, I don't believe it.
Bala ka dyan if you don't believe me. Tara dito. Saan punta mo? Uy. Saan ba?
Here.
Dito. What's that? You want to make pipang? Oo.
Can we actually go to the garden? Can you actually go to the gate and wash it?
Which one? You said you want this. Oh.
Can we wash the
Ay. Janet. No, they are all down. Nanak, the yellow one. No, pataka lagi na sa balaka hablot dyan. Hoy, the yellow one. Nanak, the big one. Sway. Pataka lagi siya, oh.
The fun is so much jarang.
Excited? Excited na? Batuan.
Like we never is jarang in the whole life.
I think it's not good.
Why the stars keep following us?
Ay,
Look
dako
where
guys,
the
oh.
Then when we're done, we go to the gate and here.
No, I need to shower na, anak ba?
Hazel, please, we want to wash. So we can
The big ones, not the small ones. Here, oh. Uy, bata batuta. Bata batuta, this one, oh. Aray ko. Bata batuta. Ano ba yan? Oh. Give me a basket, oh. Anak, oh. Tali ho, no?
One very big.
Okay.
One very big. I can't reach.
Bala yan. Try to reach that. Dali na. Ay, ang dami. Which one? Why? It's not very big nak ba?
Yes.
Hayo. Oh, ayo, this one, oh. It's not. It's small, oh.
It.
This one, oh, anak. Oh, anak, oh. Nak, this is tatlo, oh. Pidalawa na ko. It's big, oh. Hayo. Hayo.
I can't reach.
Wait. Another one here, nako. Take another one ako in my hand. In my hand. I think it's na. Nak, there is a yellow one. Ayo, big one ako.
Where?
Ayo.
See, the yellow. Carry me. I'll pick it.
Wait, I will give you the Ay, wait lang.
Wait, where is it?
Look at to. Be another tatlo Anak, be another hero.
Where?
Look at my hands. Where is my hand?
And the other.
I think this dalawa. It's very big, anak. Oop. Nako, very big, nako. Oh, enough na. Next
Wait,
time
only
again.
2 more.
Here, in this side. Darling. Ayo.
Give me 1 more.
We keep some, okay?
Yellow.
Oh, that is very shiny, anak. Oh.
Hala, smell it.
But this is big, nak. It's ready.
Yellow.
Nak, it's ready.
Pick it.
Anak ko, it's ready.
Pick it.
Ayo.
Those 3?
Pick a man, ayo. Anak, oh, it's big, look. Pangga, ayo.
Those will stick together.
They are twins.
Those are mine, okay?
Opo. Yala, this one of the big, Ay.
No.
Oh, see? Oh, enough na. Next time again.
Let's go to the
Oh, hala! There's a lot of twinnie. Anak ko, there's a lot of twinnie. Tatlo twinnie. Triplets. Be another 2.
Wait.
Yeah, let's go na. It's cold.
Listen,
Po.
those ones now will wash it. Then can we go to the gate and then go and wash them
Why in the gate?
in the gate?
You know the water outside, it's not clean. That is for the plants only, you know. Because other recycle water that we are used inside the house. Oh yeah. Yeah, anak. I'm not kidding. Yeah, look at this one. What Amo did to the... we don't have plum now.
What he did?
They cut all the big,
Plum?
the plums.
Why do you keep following us?
Because the cats love you so much.
Okay then. He doesn't follow.
Gaga! Wait lang. Ang dami niya, oh. Ang dami niya, oh. Ang dami niyang fruits.
She needs us.
Don't be close to the cat because the cat have dudu. Hindi rin kasi ito umaalis sa kanya, eh. The cat, there's a big dodo. Dodo everywhere.
You know that she's white and Tina's dad?
Hmm?
You know that she's white and Tina's dad?
Maybe. I don't know. I want to try to put down my phone inside. Where are you going? There's a lot of Amos painting the chairs there. Yala, quickly because the cat is following you so fast also. Yala ka, nagapalo siya. Nak, take a look. It's dirty. Still following. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.